Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. This is the second video about verbs of movement in English. If you haven't seen my previous video, go and check it out. To remind you, we spoke about the verbs to go and to drive. Ride. We use ride for travel on a bicycle or horse when we control its movements, okay? If we are speaking about a motorcycle, you can use ride or drive, but ride is more common, I would say. For example, it takes an hour to ride to school, okay? We also use ride for travel in a vehicle, car, bus, train, when we aren't controlling, when we aren't driving it, okay? If we are driving it, if we're controlling it, we use the verb to drive. If we are not controlling it, we use the verb to ride. For example, she enjoys riding in her mother's car. It's her mother who's driving, okay? To take is another interesting verb. We use it for travel with public transport, and we can replace take with ride. For example, Gina doesn't like taking the bus to school. Sometimes the family rides the train to Coney Island just for fun. And here is a quiz for you. My little nephew loves to the train. I repeat, my little nephew loves to the train. Write your answers in the comments and see you in the next video, guys. Bye!